Howdy, we are back, Module 3. We're starting Module 3-4. Still on the same topic, which is your future careers and what those will look like for you. Today we're looking at lifestyle. So this is all about what type of life you want to live, what kind of car you want to drive, what kind of house you want to live in, where you want to live, what kind of clothes you want to be able to afford, vacations you want to take. All of those would fall into your lifestyle category. So our goal is to establish a career and lifestyle goal. So your career and your lifestyle kind of go hand in hand. This question here is the one that I'm going to post on Classroom today. It says, where do you see yourself in 10 years? So I want you to specifically answer these two questions, and I'm gonna give you one more as well. So your two questions posed here in the PowerPoint: where will you live, and what type of industry will you be working in? So basically, just what type of career path are you going to take? Okay, in this lesson or this PowerPoint, we're going to answer these three questions. Why should you pay attention to population and workplace trends? What is important to you in a job or career? And how does the cost of living impact your lifestyle? Make sure that you use what you learn in this lesson to start down the path to achieving your career and lifestyle goals. All right, know before you go. So now's the time to look at the marketplace for jobs that you are interested in. You haven't really made a concrete choice yet, but you want to do everything you can to forecast what that job is going to look like by the time you get yourself to a point where you can be in that career path. So you take a look at what it looks like right now and into the future. What's it look like locally and in other locations? So if you wanted to do something that involves the ocean, then locally there's obviously probably not a huge market for jobs in Nebraska that have anything to do with the ocean. Maybe selling seafood would be one of the only ones. But other locations on the coast or around the world would have much more in the field of ocean types of jobs. Is it in demand or declining demand? So this is where the forecasting comes into play. How badly do people need workers in the career that you are looking at? Okay, if it's really high demand, then that's usually a good sign. That means there's going to be lots of jobs available, which means that it'll be easier for you to find a job. If for some reason you see that that job is declining, then you have to consider the fact that it may not exist by the time you want to take a job in that field. This is kind of an old example, but at one point in time there was a career that was a TV repair person. So if your TV had an issue, someone would come to your house and actually fix your TV. Okay, that is a job that is basically completely eliminated. TVs now last a lot longer. When they go out, we go buy a new one because they're relatively cheap. Okay, what is the competition for jobs? How many other people are you going to be fighting against to get that job? If you go to apply for a job, how many other people will have applied for that job as well? And what will it take to get the job or career that you want? So you need to know going into it how much schooling or training you'll need, what kind of skills or experience that employer would be looking for, and what should your attitude and mindset be?